Breaking aviation news. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, one of the world's most advanced aircraft, is under fresh scrutiny. Up to 119 planes in the U.S. may have a safety issue with their oxygen masks, critical in case of cabin depressurization. The Federal Aviation Administration is investigating after finding that the tubing for the masks could get kinked. Airlines are asking for inspection deadlines to be extended by up to a year to avoid major flight disruptions. In India, Air India's 787 fleet is under intense scrutiny following the tragic AI-171 crash. Enhanced safety inspections are ongoing, and some flights have already been cancelled as precautionary measures. This isn't the first time the 787 has faced safety questions. Experts say production pressures in the past sometimes affected quality control. Airlines and regulators now focus on balancing safety with keeping planes in the air. While these inspections are inconvenient, they're essential. For the Dreamliner, safety always comes first.